In this lesson, we're going to talk about annotations. Adding annotations to a drawing can be essential as the drawing itself. Often the notes described a part of the drawing that would be difficult to discern from the drawing alone. For example, a wall framing showing a bolt may indicate graphically how many bolts are needed or what spacing. The note might say 5/8 of an inch anchor bolt at 24 inches on center. Unless that note was there, you wouldn't be able to just look at the picture and see that. So we're going to start from our exercise 3-3, which is the previous lesson, and we're going to do a save as, and we're going to save it as 3-4. Okay, we're going to zoom so we can see the entire drawing except for the 600-foot line. And then we're going to select Annotate, and we're going to select Text, and just this box that says Text with no leader for now. Notice that text can also be selected by typing the type command T and then X to activate the text tool. Keyboard shortcuts can be handy for just quickly finding things instead of actually going to the object in the toolbar. It's not necessary that you learn them, but if you'd like to, you can. Okay, so now we have text selected, and we're going to pick a point in the upper left portion of the view, and we're going to type "Learning Revit is fun." And I'm going to purposely make a spelling error. Okay, so once you're done with the text, you can click into white space and then it makes the text stay. So notice that I've made a spelling error with the word learning. What you can do is there is check spelling in Revit, so we should always use this feature whenever we're typing. And then you'll see it'll pick up that I spelled learning wrong. I'm going to change that, and now my spell check is complete and I have adjusted "Learning Revit is fun." Now I'm going to click on the text tool just to see the options that it shows. So it has this move option, so I could drag this and I could move this to another spot. Say I wanted to move it here. It has a rotate option, so I could rotate the text if I wanted to. I'm going to just leave it where it was. And it also has an option to expand the text box to make it larger or smaller. Also, we can make it the text centered, or we can align it right or left. We can also add leader lines to the text box. So if I click on this, notice how it puts an arrow and I can point to something specific on the drawing. I'm going to click back on that and I'm going to remove that last leader line. Now I'm going to save my project, and then you should submit this file to the Learning Management System for grading. So you've completed exercise 3-1, 3-2, and 3-4. They all built off each other. This last exercise shows every step that you did up to 3-4. So this is the exercise that you're going to submit to the Learning Management System.